Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting a Windows host process RunDLL32 has stopped working. So this is a pretty generic issue, but hopefully in this tutorial I'm going to go over a couple of different ways on how to resolve it for you. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time, and you want to type in control panel. Best match should come back to control panel right above the desktop app. You want to left click on that one time. And then you want to set your view by up here. Change that to large icons. Now you want to left click on File Explorer options. Now you want to left click on the View tab. So underneath Files and Folders there should be something that says Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. You want to make sure this is unchecked. And then left click on Apply and OK. See if that has resolved your issue. Now you can also go ahead and uninstall any programs you might be having issues with as well. And as addition to all of that, if you go open up the start menu and we go underneath Device Manager, and underneath Control Panel, we're just going to open that up. I would suggest going underneath Display Adapters right here, expand that with a little arrow next to it. Whatever display adapter is listed under here, you want to right click on it and left click on Update Driver. Search automatically for updated driver software. See if that's resolved your issue, hopefully, and I would recommend restarting your computer after in either event. So I do hope this was able to help you out. You can also try going through System Restore as well if you have any restore points, try and do a restore back to a recently created restore point, and that would hopefully be able to resolve your issue as well. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.